Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you, or we can say that I'll give one answer for a question that one of our student asked, that in your video you have shown that how you can use the delegate and anonymous function, but show me delegate and anonymous function which is not taking any kind of parameter. So I am taking the same example from our previous video itself, where we have declared a delegate which is having the taking one parameter like a string argument, a string message, and then using this particular delegate we are assigning it to an anonymous function, and which is actually taking one parameter. So let me reframe the code over here. Okay, now as per the question that I don't want any kind of parameter for my delegate, so that's why I have removed this one, as well as for anonymous method we don't want any kind of parameter, so that's why I have to remove this one as well, and we don't need to this particular variable as well. So as you can see over here I have anonymous function, so this one is nothing but anonymous function which is having no name, and we are assigning this particular anonymous function to a print r. This one is nothing but a print delegate, so this one is the variable. Now if you want to call this particular anonymous function, then that time we have to take the help of this print array. We already know that. So as you can see that print delegate is not taking any parameter, so at the time of calling it we don't have to pass any kind of parameter as well. So that's it. This is nothing but a delegate taking a parameter function or method reference, and it's not having any kind of parameter. Now we have to build it. Let me build it and then I'll execute and show you the result. So now I have to click here to see the result. As you can see that it's showing nothing because we have not written anything over here, so I had to write something over here to see the result. Okay, now I have to give a double quote over here to write something, and I'll just copy the code over here and I'll paste over here and I'll write inside anonymous method. Okay, now again I'll build the solution once again and then I'll click here to see the result. So as you can see that it is printing inside anonymous method. Okay, so that's it for video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.